This is Mr. Smith, and here is this week's video newsletter. Okay, so you may have already heard, but last week we had a bit of a kerfluffle. We had a fire alarm that needed to be pulled and lost about 45 minutes of time. Now, some of that 45 minutes was actually dismissal time anyway. Dismissal was a little bit late on Wednesday, but it was still a sizable chunk of class time. And as such, I feel it's unfair to consider the assessment grade that was due last week to be due. So today, Monday, the day I'm recording this, I am giving majors a bit more time in class to complete their Chroma Key assignment. Now, remember, this is a 10-second video. So if they're saying, I never had time to record, they're pulling your leg. They did. Some of them recorded more than once. But editing is something that does take time, even for a 10-second video, so they're getting today to do that. On that note, that means that particular project is not currently in SchoolMac, so if you're going to check even this morning, it's not there because it's not due yet. That said, 15 students have already pressed the submit button. I might not have told them I was going to give them an extra day, so some of them are working really hard, and I appreciate that. So there's a pretty good chance that some of them will be just happy with that and be ready to go on the next project. There might be some that go, oh, I have time to fix something, and they'll go in and mess with that. Either way, it's going to be time well spent. Now, moving on to our next big project, we are going to get started on something that is near and dear to my heart, something that I've been doing since 1996, web design. We're going to start off simple. The primary editor that students are going to be using is going to be Notepad, since we're using Windows machines. Macintosh equivalent of the same program would be TextEdit. It's a simple program that all it does is edit text, and it's included in the operating system. So it's very, very low key. All the features are going to come from the code that we're learning. This Friday is going to be when this 50-point classwork assignment is due. Students will be making a very, very simple web page that has custom colors, bold text, italicized text, a link, and some paragraphs. This isn't going to be the next Twitter or Facebook or YouTube. This is just learning the formatting for it. And we're going to build on this. So students are going to take the code they learned this week and build on it to make a more fanciful and impressive website, maybe even embedding video, definitely embedding images, definitely including links to other pages that they're maintaining. None of this is going to be live to the internet. I'm going to show how that works, but for the purpose of this lesson, it's going to be, here's how it works. And I'm thrilled that I get the opportunity to do this. I'm also thrilled that several students, when I sent out surveys asking what they would like to learn about, asked specifically about learning how to make websites. So this is going to be fun. All right, so that's it for this update. If you have any questions, comments, criticisms, please email me at aaron.smith@pgcps.org. And until next time, have fun.